To be in the pipeline. Describing something that is in the process of being developed, planned, or organized. Referring to tasks or projects that are scheduled for future implementation or completion. We have several research projects in the pipeline, waiting for funding approval. The company has a series of product launches in the pipeline for the upcoming year. The development of renewable energy technologies is in the pipeline as part of the government's sustainability initiative. The new drug is in the pipeline, undergoing clinical trials before it can be approved for use. Plans for the new laboratory facility are in the pipeline, pending final approval from the board. To be on the back burner. Describing something that is temporarily set aside or given lower priority, often due to more pressing matters. Referring to tasks or projects that are postponed or delayed until a later time. With the recent budget cuts, infrastructure upgrades have been put on the back burner. The proposal for a new environmental initiative has been put on the back burner until after the election. The research project has been put on the back burner while we focus on urgent clinical trials. The investigation into the safety concerns has been put on the back burner until more evidence is gathered. Plans for expanding the company's operations have been put on the back burner until market conditions improve. To be on the cutting edge. Describing something that is at the forefront of innovation, advancement, or development. Referring to technologies, methods, or practices that are pioneering or leading in their field. The company's investment in artificial intelligence puts it on the cutting edge of technology. The development of new materials is on the cutting edge of materials science, offering potential applications in various industries. The startup's innovative approach to healthcare puts it on the cutting edge of medical technology. The laboratory is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, allowing researchers to be on the cutting edge of scientific discovery. The new research findings are on the cutting edge of neuroscience, revolutionizing our understanding of the brain. To put the cart before the horse. Describing the act of doing things in the wrong order or sequence, often resulting in confusion or inefficiency. Referring to situations where priorities are misplaced or actions are taken prematurely. Trying to implement new policies without assessing their feasibility is like putting the cart before the horse. Before conducting experiments, researchers need to gather sufficient data. Otherwise, they risk putting the cart before the horse. Investing in marketing before developing the product would be putting the cart before the horse. You need to understand the problem thoroughly before proposing solutions. Otherwise, you'll be putting the cart before the horse. You can't expect results without laying the groundwork first. Otherwise, you'll be putting the cart before the horse. To grease the wheels. Describing the act of making progress smoother or easier, often by removing obstacles or facilitating processes. Referring to actions taken to expedite or improve the efficiency of a task or operation. Establishing clear communication channels will grease the wheels of collaboration between departments. Streamlining bureaucratic procedures will grease the wheels of the permit application process. Providing additional funding will help grease the wheels of the research project, allowing it to proceed more smoothly. Assigning more staff to the project will grease the wheels of production, ensuring deadlines are met. Implementing new software will grease the wheels of data analysis, enabling faster insights. To pave the way. Describing the act of preparing or facilitating the way for something to happen or progress. Referring to actions taken to make future developments or achievements possible or smoother. The diplomatic negotiations paved the way for peaceful relations between the two countries. The groundbreaking research paved the way for new treatments in cancer therapy. The successful implementation of the pilot program paved the way for its expansion nationwide. The infrastructure upgrades will pave the way for economic development in the region. The invention of the Internet paved the way for the digital revolution. To lay the groundwork. Describing the act of establishing a foundation or framework for future actions or developments, referring to preparatory work or efforts made to create favorable conditions for success. The reforms laid the groundwork for systemic changes in the education system. The training program laid the groundwork for employees to acquire new skills and knowledge. The initial experiments laid the groundwork for further investigations into the phenomenon. Before launching the new product, the company needs to lay the groundwork by conducting market research. The negotiations laid the groundwork for future cooperation between the two organizations. To get the ball rolling. Describing the act of initiating or starting a process or activity, referring to taking the first steps to set something in motion or begin progress. Once we get the ball rolling on the recruitment process, we can start building the project team. Let's schedule the initial meeting to get the ball rolling on the new research project. The launch event will get the ball rolling for the marketing campaign of the new product. Securing funding is essential to get the ball rolling on the development of the new technology. The successful completion of the feasibility study got the ball rolling for the construction project. To hit the ground running. Describing the act of starting something with enthusiasm, energy, and efficiency, referring to beginning a task or project with momentum and readiness to tackle challenges. The student organization hit the ground running at the beginning of the semester, planning various events and activities. The interns were eager to hit the ground running on their first day at the company. The new CEO wasted no time in making changes and hit the ground running in her role. Having completed the necessary preparations, the project team is set to hit the ground running when the project officially starts. With a well-prepared team, we're ready to hit the ground running on the new initiative. Level up your English. Master vocabulary, idioms, and phrasal verbs with fun quizzes. Translate meanings into 104 languages. Download now. Link in the description. Please like and subscribe to our channel.